how to create a restaurant website in Wix. So let's get started. So first, what you're going to do is you have to go to Wix. You can type Wix sign up and create an account. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can now tap on sign up for free Wix account. And then here you can tap on Wix.com sign up page. But since I have my account already, then I have here, this is my Wix. This is my sample sites that I haven't published. If you have created your sites, then you can see all of this here and you can select and edit a site before you publish. But since we will be doing or we will be creating a site for restaurant or website for restaurant, then all you have to do here is tap on create new site. So create sites with Wix. You can choose try Wix Studio where you can see or you can use advanced features on Wix. But as a beginner, I strongly suggest to tap on create on Wix editor. Tap this one. So you will see this option, bring your ideas to life with AI, start chat or set up without chat. You can start a chat and ask AI to help you build a website or template. But as a teacher, as a beginner, I strongly suggest to set up without chat. Click this one. And then here it is. What type of website do you want to create? So this time, let's look for restaurant. Now you have your option, restaurant coming soon, family, photographer, blog, Indian, Asian, middle, fine, seafood, everything is up to you. But for me, I just tap this restaurant right here and then tap on continue. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is preparing your dashboard. So loading your dashboard, by the way, in dashboard, you can set up everything like the payment, the sales. You can create the news right here and then add application. You can also set up your SEO. But before that, of course, Wix will ask for your business name. So this is the name of my restaurant, the Ivory Table. Tap on continue. Now choose the apps you'd like to add. So for example, if you offer restaurant menus, which is of course built in already, you can just basically add more application below. For example, if you offer chat, if you offer what you call this online programs or events or bookings, you can just select from any of this here. For example, bookings. You want your client or you want your client to know if you're available in this date or not. So tap this one right here. Once done, all you have to do is tap on continue. And you're all set. You can now continue to dashboard. Tap this one here. Okay, so this is your dashboard. Let me just tell you that this is an independent dashboard. So whatever you add here, whatever you set up here, it will not affect your other sites right here that you haven't published. Okay, so it's independent dashboard. If you add payment method, it will not affect other sites, and then all you have to do is add here your payment method if you want to connect and set up. If you want to create a direct payment link, okay, invoices, price codes, proposals, POS, checkout. Booking calendar if you want to set up calendar like what I've told you earlier. If you want to block a date or if you want to make this date available, offer new services, you can just basically go to calendar, add booking list, work schedule for your staff, and booking analytics. Sales, if you want to add you menus and then orders, if you want to create gift card sales for your loyal clients, if you want to set up payments and finances, and if you want to tap on sales overview, just go to the site. Catalog, okay, again, if you want to add menus, if you want to add or create booking services, gift cards for your avid loyal customers, booking channels. Also for table reservations, if you want to add reservations, if you want your customers or clients to know that this date is already reserved, so no need to book, something like that. And for your clients awareness, if you want to add applications, for example, for payments, Stripes, you can just go to apps and app market. Okay, set up your SEO, local brand, and so on. Receive messages. If you want to add or build community loyalty program, you can go to customer needs, marketing for Google Ads, analytics, and then automation if you want to automate your website. So this is the setup. This is the instruction. You just have to follow this. So first, if you have your domain, then all you have to do is tap or add your domain right Domains are not for free. You need to buy this. And if you want to be searchable on Google or any site, then you must have your domain. So if you want to create your menu, just add item right here. So as a sample, this is a sample. You can tap this one. This is what your customer can view or see once you have added a section here. So for example, if you want to add a section, just tap this one. Okay, let's go back. If you want to add a menu, tap this one right here, add the name of the menu and then description. Okay, for example, this one, tap save, add section, appetizers, add description. Here it is. Once done, tap on save. And then here you can add more if you want, just add your menu. Going back, once you have added your menus, then the next thing to do is set up online ordering. Tap this one. Okay, so scheduling and availability. Okay, order scheduling, pickup delivery. You can add this. You can set up everything here as soon as possible. Okay, pre-order only. How quickly can orders be prepared? So you can just basically, add up to 1 hour, 60 minutes, something like that. And then between this time, and then once done, tap on save. Also, you can set up for checkout, order management, promotions, and growth. Okay, so once done, then you can now go back and then set up table reservations. Tap on get started. Okay, so you can add here reservation schedule. If you want to set, tap this one. Okay, for example, you are not available every Sunday and Saturday, but for the rest of the week, you are. Then tap on save. You can also set up for table management, online reservations, reservation form, prepayment, notification. So if I'm going to tap this online reservations right here. Okay, so minimum notice, how close to the reservation can guests still book a table. You can set this to 20 minutes if you want. Your turn time, set the duration of a reservation based on its party size, time slots, gate facing, maximum number of guests could be like maximum, let's just say, can add more, maximum, let's say 30, and so on. Approval mode, automatic approval or manual. Once done, tap on save. And you can just basically edit and adjust everything here. Going back. Now on set up your payment methods, tap on set up payment methods here. Okay, so this payment method depends on your location. So this is the business location. You can set up your PayPal. I think this is the easiest way to receive payment from your clients and customers. So all you have to do is connect your PayPal. You can also do manual payments right here. Tap on connect. You can set cash payment. You just add instruction right here. Offline payment, just add instruction. Cash on delivery, just add instruction and then tap on connect. And that's how you add or accept payments here on your Wix. So the reason for application is that if you want to add or install Stripe, then basically you should see that Stripe right here, and all you have to do is connect your bank account so that your customer can pay you via bank account. Okay, so design your site. Tap this one. Get found in Google, get started. All you have to do here is to follow the instruction. Okay. And then once you're ready for this, like if you have your domain and if you know this SEO, then all you have to do is to follow instruction right here, add your domain, and you will be found on Google, or it would be easier for a customer to see your website. And then lastly is design site. We're going to design our site right here. So how would you like to design your website? You can ask a help from AI or pick a template. But for beginners, I strongly suggest is pick a template here. And then here are the sample templates. All you have to do is to edit this one right here before you, or view before you edit. There are tons of templates. Okay, so all you have to do is to select one. Let's just say you want to try this one. You want to view. And if you like it, then all you have to do is tap on edit the site. Okay, so it's now adding Wix, and all you have to do is to edit your website. Okay, so this is your restaurant website. All you have to do is to add elements here, section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So if you want to basically edit the name of your website in the header, you just have to double click if you want to quick edit. For example, if you want to edit this part right here, change this the name of my restaurant. Here I have added, okay. And then you can also change the style, the font size. Also same thing, you can add effect if you want and so on. To add picture or change the background, just double click, tap on change background right here. You can get from their library or upload from your gallery from your computer. Tap on image, upload from computer. Okay, here it is. And then change background. So basically you can just edit this part right here. So everything is up to you. Okay, you can also change this. Okay, the background, the real background, but this is what it looks like. And you can enlarge this one if you want. So everything is up to you. Now, also, if you want to add or add elements, for example, if you want to add images or gallery, video, music, you just have to go to this part. For example, gallery, okay, tap on slider galleries. I want to add slider galleries here. Click this one. Then you can just add a new section or just drag it. Okay, so you can replace the images of your food's menu or your restaurant's pictures. All you have to do is tap change images and then import the picture from your computer. So here I have added all of the pictures from my gallery, and these are the pictures of my restaurant. Now, if you want to add a section, you just have to click this one, for example, a contact form for your clients and customers to reach you. So you have your options right here. For example, if you want to add this one, then basically just tap this. And here it is. So you can change the address, contact number, email. You can also link your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and so on. So your customers will just add their first name, last name, email, their message, and then they will send it to your email address or to your website. So you can preview. And then once you're okay with this, then all you have to do is connect your domain and then publish your site. So basically, this is what it looks like. You can add more by just tapping back to editor and add more elements, images, section. You can change the site design. You can also edit the pages menu, add application. You can add or change something on your Wix store. And then you can add media here. You can add your social media accounts. Just tap this one right here and then link your social media and add CMS. So basically this is just an easy tutorial on how to create or how to make a restaurant website on Wix. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.